Now, for tonight's first keynote from the Norwegian industry cluster, NCE Maritime CleanTech. Veronica Haugan is a project manager for innovation in a world-leading cluster for clean maritime solutions. She has more than 10 years of experience as a specialist within the field of safety related to ships and mobile offshore units. Tonight, Veronica will share insights from some of the most important projects for sustainable oceans and the development of zero-emission solutions for the maritime industry. Should you have questions for Veronica, please raise them on the webpage with a live stream using Slido. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce Veronica Haugan. Please enjoy.
Thank you for the invitation to speak at the 7th Nordic Talk Korea event. My name is Veronica Haugan, and I'm project manager for innovation at NCE Maritime CleanTech. I'm looking forward to tell you about cluster collaboration and give you an introduction on, of the development of zero-emission solutions for the maritime industry in Norway, and to speak about some of our ongoing hydrogen projects.
Today, our cities and other densely populated areas have an ever-increasing demand for public communication. Expansion of the existing infrastructure is often challenging and expensive. In these areas, environmentally sustainable solutions are encouraged to reduce the local pollution. Conveniently, most densely populated areas are located near the sea, lakes, or rivers. Our solution is a complete transport system with all necessary infrastructures, utilizing the waterways as rails, an infrastructure with minimal requirements for investment and a high degree of flexibility. This new transport system supplements and expands on current infrastructure. It claims a minimum of land, setting no limitations on the location and placement of terminals. The shuttles are equipped with zero emissions technology, leaving nothing but clean air and zero impact on the environment. The corresponding terminal system allows for a speedy and secure docking procedure and instant connection charging. This system is an innovative solution developed by the Norwegian maritime businesses community based on a sustainable and value-based technology. The Urban Water Shuttle. The waterway to a sustainable future.
The video which opened this session showed the Urban Water Shuttle. This is a groundbreaking concept for zero-emission transport solutions for urban areas. It's a complete transport system with all necessary infrastructure. The concept uses known and proven zero-emission technology, leaving nothing but clean air and zero impact on the environment. This is an excellent example on how we work with our Norwegian partner companies to develop cleaner maritime solutions. But keep in mind that this is an early presentation of the concept. The project now has developed further, and I will be happy to send you additional information on this. NCE Maritime CleanTech is a Norwegian business cluster organization, and we have more than 135 partner companies covering every stage of the maritime value chain. Our purpose is to strengthen our partners' competitiveness by developing and launching innovative solutions for energy-efficient and clean maritime activities. Together, this results in one of the world's most complete maritime commercial hubs. We use the Norwegian maritime expertise built up over generations as a springboard for development of new energy-efficient and environmentally friendly technologies. The cluster thinking itself is based on the idea that when working on new green technology in an immature market, collaboration between companies and research institutions is essential. Through cluster collaboration, we increase innovation through joint innovation and demonstration projects of new technologies. We strengthened the participants' knowledge base through, for example, international cooperation, competence development, and education programs, and so on. We stimulate market pull effects and reduce market barriers by influencing the regulatory framework and by demonstrating and commercializing new energy-efficient environmental technology. The work within partner companies in NCE Maritime CleanTech resulted in the world's first all-electric ferry, the MS Ampere. The ferry started to operate a passenger route in a Norwegian fjords in 2015. It is safe to say that the Ampere was the start of a revolution in the Norwegian ferry market. By 2021, close to 80 ferries will be in operation on the Norwegian coast, and by 2024, the entire Norwegian ferry fleet shall be emission-free. The electric revolution is spreading to other sectors and to other markets. From this demonstration of technology in the ferry segment, greener technologies are entering to other market segments in the maritime sector, and it is combined in hybrid energy systems for bigger vessels, like offshore vessels. This has led to optimized power control with significantly reduced fuel cost, maintenance, and emissions. This picture shows the timeline up to 2030 and includes groundbreaking projects in addition to the requirements from IMO and the Norwegian government. Our partners are continuously collaborating on innovative work with new technologies. Several of our member companies are moving forward as partners in new revolutionary hydrogen and ammonia projects. Later this year, the world's first ferry on liquid hydrogen will be certified in Norway. This is a project set out by the Norwegian government and is led by the Public Road Administration in Norway, and the ferry is owned by Norled. Norled is also the owner of a second ferry that will be delivered next year on compressed hydrogen. This ferry is one of 4 EU-funded projects in the cluster and is called Flagships. Ship FC is another EU-funded project that shall replace the traditional fuel system with a 2 megawatt solid oxide fuel cell and use green ammonia as fuel from 2024. HyShip is a third EU-funded project. This is a 125-meter-long ro-ro cargo ship that shall use liquid hydrogen as fuel, and it shall also transport liquid hydrogen to different hubs along the Norwegian coastline by 2025. Our partners is also looking at production of liquid hydrogen, and by 2024 there will be production of green liquid hydrogen at the west coast of Norway. Several partners is also looking into use of hydrogen as fuel on fast ferries and cruise ships. And our partner have developed groundbreaking technologies for zero-emission fast-going transport, which is very relevant for waterways in urban areas. Our fourth EU-funded project, TRAM, is developing the world's first electric fast ferry that is planned to be delivered next year. Please visit our webpage for more information about our partners' projects and about us.